As long as you don't break up with me after this. Oh, Jesus.
Love you.
I love you. Tutorial upcoming. How to make your boyfriend not a cheater.
Are you sad or happy?
No, I just like to lay like this when I'm happy.
I should have watched YouTube first. Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to cut my fiance's hair. You excited, babe?
Yes, very much.
So all the way here. Okay. So you want this long in here, right? So, never done this before. Could you give me please? Thank you. Just like that. Oh, where's the other one first? Thank you. But we don't have the proper scissor. And have the thing in here. Yeah. So nice.
Good luck.
I'm gonna start in the back. Maybe you need to cut first. Wait. I think I need to cut first.
Why?
To cut because it's too long. I think I'm gonna do here first, the very bottom. Okay, I think I know what to do now. Let's see. I should have watched YouTube first.
Probably a pleasure. Goodbye. As long as you don't break up with me after this. Nice and even.
Yeah, it's even, babe. Yes, it's even. Very, very nice. Yeah. Turn around there. Very nice, like that. The side, and then now on the side. Please. It's nice. Yeah, it's very nice. How much do you need to?
It's up to you.
Please.
Nice and straight.
Chicken wings.
I just want some nuggets and some chicken wings.
It's nice now.
Why do you want me to check buns?
Emo. Wait, very nice. Look nice.
Nice.
Look very nice, babe. Very, very nice. Bangs. That's how you cut the bangs, guys.
Goodbye. Tutorial upcoming. How to make your boyfriend not a cheater. No one is going to get laid with this haircut.
Final look. This is the one perfect one. Oh my god. This is really long. Oh my goodness. You like it? You like it, babe? Look in the back, with this mirror. Yes, in the back. Very nice, right? Can you
what
see?
About this?
Where?
What about this?
That's called fade.
Ah. Oh my god. It's not even straight. This is going right here than here. When this is going.
This is called fade.
Oh, jeez. It's good I don't have a date tonight.
What date, huh?
What is this?
What?
This is the.
It's nice, right?
Yeah. It's very nice.
Yay! Who got a
Yay!
haircut?
I got a haircut.
Who got a haircut?
I got a haircut.
Very nice, right? Just trim in the top and yeah. We're gonna fix that. That's how you do it, right?
Thanks for the effort, babe.
Love you.
I love you. But it doesn't seem like you love me for the haircut. The back, babe. I don't know what this is.
Cutting hair. Fade. Let's go fade.
You wanna see fade?
Let me see. Yeah, I'm going that thing. But I want only trim. I want only trim, that's why I did that.
Yeah,
only trim, so it's not that a lot.
This needs to go. Thank you for the haircut.
You're welcome. Oh, you're welcome, baby. Are you sad or happy?
No, I just like to leg like this when I'm happy.
24 hours later.
Very handsome. Side view, baby. Other side. Original. Behind the scene.